Oh no, what happened? And what happened to this party? I don't know. I do not know what happened. No, are you serious? This one comes up to what happened. I don't know. Everybody just fell down. What happened? I think something's going on. Wait, something is going out. Oh my gosh! Oh, best friend. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, sorry everybody. It was just an accident. It's an earthquake. It was just an earthquake. I was trying to save the world, but I'm still alive. Oh, how did you do that? Well, Liza just told me how to be alive. It was not just a stronger earthquake for me. It's just the way how I did with my powers. That cannot be! Oh my gosh. Thank you, all of you guys. Thank you. That was a great plan. What? It's you again, Phantom Queen. You wouldn't know if I will be just destroy your mom. Then I will get your abilities. You cannot defeat me with that. But I'm gonna pick only one pet. Since I found some, I just have to decide. No! Don't do it! That is not a great idea. Just gonna build a little bit. I guess so. My gosh, where did you come from? And where were you? We just cannot find you in the volcano, but now we just find you now. Until I just need to decide what can I just use. So, let me decide only one pet. Then I will let them go to sleep. I shall destroy Drama and get Liza and every alphas that I need to get, and just try to forget their ability, and their powers will be mine. I will get more powerful and destroy Drama forever. Really? You cannot do that. You cannot destroy Drama. Well, I think you do not even know our You gotta be kidding me! This is Drama, and you're not welcome here. I just decided. I'm a little bit dizzy. Help me. Oh no! No! Somebody help her!
Tama, 110, di ba? Lahat? Gusto niyo pa na isa? Isa pa? Isa pa?
But first, you should defeat me, and all of you shall die. Since I come to the volcano, you shall defeat me until we go to the stadium.
Gusto niyo pa ng set? Pwede ba?
Why did she just try to remove it? No. But what about Indai? But what shall we do with Indai? I have a great plan. We should defeat Really? Defeat her? Yes, but we need a lot of jammers to do it. I don't know either. Let me decide. Aha! The alphas shall go. Really? Yes. Hold on, I'll be right back. Are you done? Yeah, I bring the alphas. Okay, here they are coming. Here they come. I guess we should go now. Ugh. But we need more. It's okay. You should join us too, because Grilly and Peck is not here. Okay. I guess so. Hold on, let me just get ready.
Hindi ako mapakali.